What's going on, guys? This is Decelation, and we got a guest in here, Michael.
What's up, guys?
So Michael's over here brought his camber plates, so we're actually gonna line.
Toe plates, yeah.
Yeah, toe plates. Sorry, yeah, toe plates. But we're gonna line, do a little bit of alignment on the factory 535 hot rod truck. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and we're gonna watch you guys. You're gonna watch us go to work, and really, Michael's aligning it. I'm just kind of standing here looking pretty. So, and I'm not that pretty, so I'm sorry, people. All right, stay tuned.
Here we got you see we're just under half an inch here, and then we go over here and at the top as well. We're looking at about half an inch, so I think we're good.
Nice.
We got this rear toed centered to the body.
Nice. So Mike, you want to tell the people what you just did? Like,
yeah, man. So we checked the toe to make sure the rear end, solid rear end, is actually solid and zero toe. So then we had to focus on making sure it's straight and it's not tracking left or right to the body. So we fastened up this fancy, very expensive measuring device here, and with the laser and aligning it against the wheel, we are able to make sure it's at least tracking straight to the body. So now we can focus on the front, and now that we know the rear is solid, we can align the front to the rear as well.
Oh yeah, it's happening, boys. Makes me happy. And so
this is good. How this worked out.
Yeah. All right, so catch you guys on the next update.
So we're looking at about 65 and a half, 66 and a half on this, on the rear side, and we're about 66 and a quarter on the front side. So we got toe in now. So let's see, we can crank this guy. Actually, now that we got the rear good, we'll also check against the rear.
Yeah.
See how that changed now? Before,
oh yeah.
Before, because we had to move the
rear
so
over.
Now, what this is at the groove between the second and third.
Yeah.
I gotta aim a little bit better here. Pick a second spot. All right. Yeah. So we're looking at that between the second and third. And then here. Oh, okay, yeah, so we're way out.
Yeah.
So we will crank this toe out a little bit and toe in on that and try and get to zero.
Mm-hmm.
And go from there.
What the hell? That's probably from... that's from bleeding. Just never cleaned it up.
Oh, okay.
I was like, better not be leaking brake fluid.
Yeah. Yes. Probably need to tone this a bit too, anyways.
I think that needs to get towed in a lot.
And then this will probably still have to get towed out because we still
well, these do suck in a lot compared to the rear. Like, there's even spacers on this, and it's still.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see it. What are those? 15s? 10 millimeter spacers?
I think they're 10 millimeters. Just because we were actually realized when we were cranking the wheel fully, we were actually hitting.
Oh.
The air arm. So I was like, I need.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. So let me pop this one out then. All right, so right now we've got this, we adjusted the toe on this one, on this tire. So now we're going to adjust the toe on this one, and then we're going to try and fit everything in. So, having fun?
Yeah, man.
Cool. Hey, I want my comment section to get Michael to start filming for his YouTube channel, because I've been telling him this for like months. This dude, we got to go to his garage at some point.
You can do a video on your page about my cars.
Yeah, man. This man has a lot of cars. Oh, I don't think I told you guys. This is the guy I bought the BMW from. So it's like the BMW guru. This is whenever I have questions about the BMW, I ask him. But all right, catch you guys in the next update. Welcome back, guys. So, my man Michael here. I just look pretty. He did all the work, but look at this. The wheels are actually slightly towed in like they're supposed to, a 1/16 of an inch. So you want to tell them kind of like what we discovered with the main adjustment and the little fine adjustment?
Yeah, so on these kit cars, it looks like one full rotation of this is equal to about 0.9 millimeters of toe in or out. So it's good to know that adjustment for future stuff if you're tracking cars or swapping tires or really dealing with alignment issues for some reason. But it looks like a full rotation's 0.9 or 1 millimeter, and then after that, I guess you can do minor adjustments with the front arm. I'm still not convinced. I feel like you can still adjust this in some way manually without having to take off this, but I don't know much about these setups. But long story short, we got the front, we got the rear centered track-wise to the chassis, and now after rolling it back and forth, making a few adjustments, we got a little bit of towing in the front, and we got a little bit track right. So all that's left is we're gonna go with the adjusting the steering wheel instead of messing with this more, since we're at the right alignment specs. It's just not centered, and hopefully once we do that, it'll be good to go.
Yeah, see? You got to bring in the smart people when people like me are too dumb to figure it out. But you want to give people kind of like a background on what you do and reason why I called you in?
Primarily BMW guy. That's why I sold. That's how we met, selling him the E46. I've been racing road course stuff for 10 years or so, and just teaching, coaching, instructing at the track. Sold my race car recently, actually a few years ago, and I got a few builds. I got an E30 M3, I got a 535 wagon with a built motor and turbos. Got a Euro E36, got a wide body E36 BMW, all BMWs. So I just like my BMWs, but I love all cars, and I mean, what's not to love about this car? So
hey, right?
That's kind of like my background, and yeah, I love cars, and looking forward to seeing more of this.
Yeah. We're gonna get him to start filming, one, to start his own channel, and two, this isn't the last time I'm pulling him over here, because it's nice to have someone smarter than me around. No, I love Brian, don't worry. Me and Brian, we get along, but we're at the same intelligence level. We're pretty smart, but there's things that we both can't figure out, and we're like, and that's why we called in the big guns.
We'll see how smart I am after a bit. We'll
Nah, man, you're pretty solid, especially in race car stuff. And if you guys haven't noticed, this has got a lot of race car stuff in it.
That it does.
But I really do appreciate you guys watching the videos. I want you to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell, hit the like button if you like the video, and comment down below. And I want to see comments telling Michael to start his channel, because I'm going to show him like 500 comments. If I get 500 comments, I'm like giving away a piece of this car to someone, one or two people. For real, for real. But yeah, I want to see comments telling him to start his channel, because we're going to have to take one of these days. I'm going to go to your garage and film and show your setup.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Like, I love my setup, but I'm jealous of his setup. It's sick. So, yeah. Catch you guys next video. Peace.